So today I'm heading over to the camper to help Anthony Moore take down that wall. I know Bridget and the girls have been over there trying to get the walls primered and ready for paint. I hadn't been able to do much this week due to my work schedule, but I'm looking forward to getting over there and knocking some of those little small things out. And I'll check in sometime later this afternoon after we get done and let you know exactly what we got accomplished today.
Hi guys, we're gonna do a recap of the day. We're back home after a long day. Ruby, Romeo, aren't they cute? Romeo. He's still learning his name. He doesn't know it very well. We had a long weekend at the camper. Oh, here he comes. Romeo. Where do we start? Oh, we had to start by going to Home Depot because we don't have a Home Depot here, and our Lowe's has zero primer we need. So we had to drive to Home Depot in Virginia. We're in North Carolina. It was about a 45-minute drive. It's not bad. It's bad. I didn't want to do it. And then we met Anthony with Moore's Decor at the camper
To take down our wall.
He's a handyman. He's not a handyman.
No, not at all.
If I need anything done, he says, call Anthony.
Yeah, where's Anthony?
So Anthony took down the wall, which I'm most excited about. And Trey works 6 days a week. So he was able to do some stuff and take some stuff down that I couldn't get down, which ended up
Figuring out that our primer was not the right primer, or it just was not adhering to the surface. So we ended up taking some of the paint and the primer down. No fun.
So I gotta start over. And the blue that I had got for the kitchen cabinets, I got at Home Depot, which, as I just said, is really far away, and I was about out. And this happened after we already made the trip, so I've decided I'm changing the color of the cabinets because I don't want to drive to Home Depot every time I need paint. So stay tuned for whatever that's going to be. The wall ended up coming out. Anthony also fixed the hole in the floor, the leak that we had found. See, what would I do without Anthony? Yeah, we started trying to put the wallpaper shiplap up too, and that was last night. And about 10 minutes in, either I was going to kill him or he was going to kill me.
It was not going right.
It was not going good. So I was like, I really just want to do actual shiplap, not this wallpaper. What did he say? Call Anthony.
Yep.
So Anthony's supposed to help with that. So now we're going to actually have some legit shiplap up. Well, still the lighter stuff for the camper. But so I feel like the camper kind of started over. The wall did get done. We got a cool time-lapse video of it, and we decided not to take it completely down, and we're going to do a cool wood wall with it and redo it and build a whole new entertainment area, and it's going to be really neat. Anthony's going to hook it up. We're not going to do it. Anthony's going to do it. And he's doing my countertops. And what would I do without Anthony?
Nothing.
But so we're done for today. Anthony will be back Wednesday to cut the pieces for the wall, and he said it should be up by Friday, so maybe we can share a video of that next weekend. And this week I get to go back and prime, paint. The primer was right. It's just like where you taped. Don't use tape. I don't like the tape. And yeah, no.
She cut the video off, but don't use tape. Feel when you pull it off, it does pull the paint off that you use. So I've got to get back to finishing these burgers, but until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to our YouTube channel. And also visit us at flippinghitch.com. Thanks.